Welcome to the Wellness Vibe Journey, where we share all things healthy and wholesome. Today, we're talking about a snack we all love: popcorn. But did you know not all popcorn is created equal? Let's dive into the different types of popcorn and explore their health benefits. Popcorn is a whole grain snack that's naturally low in calories and high in fiber. It's packed with antioxidants and can be a great healthy alternative to chips or candy when prepared right. But what are the different types of popcorn? And which ones should you be reaching for? You might be thinking, wait, isn't popcorn just a junk food? And you're not alone. Many people assume that all popcorn is unhealthy, loaded with butter, salt, and sugar, but that's not entirely accurate. The truth is, the way we typically consume popcorn is what makes it unhealthy. When we start digging deeper, we discover that different types of popcorn can offer some amazing benefits. Type 1 Air Popped Popcorn. This is the healthiest version of popcorn because it's made without oil. Just pop the kernels using hot air, and you've got a light, crispy snack that's only around 30 calories per cup. Not to mention, it's high in fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you full for longer. If you're craving something crunchy but low-cal, this is your go-to. Benefit of this type of popcorn are they are low in calorie, high fiber content, and no oil that make them most suitable healthy snack. Type 2 Stovetop Popped Popcorn. Next, we have stovetop popcorn. This is popcorn popped in a bit of oil, usually olive, coconut, or avocado oil. Stovetop popcorn is still a healthy option, but it's slightly higher in calories because of the added fat from the oil. The good news? Healthy oils like olive or coconut oil provide essential fats and antioxidants. So, you can enjoy this in moderation and still feel good about your snack. Benefits of this type of popcorn: they are filled with healthy fats, antioxidants, moderate calories. Type 3 Microwave Popcorn. Now, we've got microwave popcorn. It's super convenient, but this is where you need to be careful. Many microwave popcorn brands contain added butter, artificial flavorings, and preservatives. These can increase the fat and sodium content, making it a less healthy choice. But don't worry, there are healthier microwave popcorn options out there. Just look for brands that are low in fat, use natural ingredients, and don't contain trans fats. When consuming this type of popcorn, watch out high in sodium, artificial additives in the packaging. Type 4 Prepackaged Popcorn Snacks. Lastly, we have pre-packaged popcorn snacks. You've probably seen these in stores in all sorts of flavors: cheddar, caramel, sweet, and salty. Some of these can be healthy if they're air-popped and made with natural ingredients. But keep an eye on the labels. Flavored popcorn can quickly become high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Stick to brands that keep it simple and avoid excessive additives. When consuming this type of popcorn, check labels of pre-packaged popcorn snacks for potential high sugar and fat content. So, whether you like your popcorn or popped, stovetop, or straight from the microwave, there's a type of popcorn for every craving. Just remember to watch out for added oils, butter, and artificial ingredients if you want to keep it healthy. Which popcorn is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep snacking smart.